In this video, we're going to talk about how we can build our own VIM commands. In VIM, we have a command substitute, which lets us find and replace a pattern in a file. So let me show you an example of that. So let's say VIM dummy, and let me enter some dummy data on Rick Astley, because why not? So so let's say we want to find and replace the word week with something else in this entire file. So to do that, what we can do is a colon to insert into command mode, and percentage sign, which is going to indicate the whole file, and S for substitute, forward colon, forward slash, and the pattern we want to find and the pattern we want to replace it with. So if we do this, we get what we want. But now let's make this process a little bit easier and sort of. Let's say we could just do RA, which stands for replace all, and the pattern we want to find and the pattern we want to replace. Let's make a command something as simple as this. So to do that, let me open my configuration file from Vim. Config that. So let's go to enter this file. So how we can build our own command is we can do something like colon command and the command name. So let's say HW right now. And one thing that you want to know is by convention that we need to make the first letter of our command capital. And so now we're gonna write here the command that we want to execute. So right now let's just say hello world. So let's choose this file and see if it works. Say HW, yeah, it's working. So to accomplish what we are trying to accomplish today, you can do it many different ways, but we're going to use functions actually. And let me create a function here and replace all. Let's say replace all, and the parameters find and replace and end function, and this is how we create function in Vim. So let's change our command name to RA, and we don't need this echo. We're gonna call our function like this, and to pass arguments in a function through a command, we're gonna we have to write something like f dash args, where args stands for arguments, I guess, and the f stands for functions. And we also need to let it know how many arguments that it's gonna get. So to do that, what we can do is dash nargs equals to and the number of arguments. I think N stands for the number of arguments and args means arguments. So let's type an asterisk here. So it's say one to many arguments. It can. So actually, this is the structure that we're gonna need to do what we are trying to do now. So inside this function, we want to use the same functionality that we used in the beginning of this video. So to execute another function from a function, to execute another command from within a function, we need to write exe for execute, and we need something like a colon, percentage s, and full bar and g. So we need to execute a command like this, right? So from when we call our command, when we run our command, so we also pass some arguments from there. So we're going to use the parameters from that we get in the function in this command. So to do that, we're gonna do some concatenations and here and there. So let's do this, and dot concatenation, if argument, I guess, find, and concatenation again, and slash, and a comma replace, and /g. I guess this is the command that we want to execute, right? So let's check if this really works or not. So now again, vim dummy, Gasly, and let's say ra rig with low. So yeah, it works. Thank you for watching, and yeah, enjoy.